أعوذ بالله السميع العليم من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم، والحمد لله رب العالمين، وصلى الله على محمد وآله الطيبين الطاهرين. اللهم وفقنا وسائر المشتغلين للعلم والعمل الصالح بحق محمد وآل محمد. اللهم صل على محمد وآل محمد وعجل فرجهم والعن عدوهم. The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam said, the evil deed to be punished the quickest is aggression. The evil deed to be punished the quickest is aggression. قال رسول الله صلى الله عليه وآله إن أعجل الشر عقوبة الغي. إن أعجل الشر عقوبة الغي. With Islamic laws, we reach to well water. This water which is gushs out from the well, and we consider it as kathir water. Kathir water, more than kur water. Issue number 44, the water of a well which springs forth from the earth, although its quantity may be less than a kur. It doesn't matter, even if it's a quantity less than a kur, but this water, it gushes out from the earth, does not become mutanajjis, does not become mutanajjis owing to something mutanajjis falling in it. It's number one. Unless, that means it will be mutanajjis if its color, its smell, or its taste changes due to what? Due to the najasa. Then it will be mutanajjis. So the well water, whatever its quantity is, even if it is less than a kur, if a najasa falls in it, it will not become mutanajjis. It will not become mutanajjis. But if its smell, its color, its taste changed due to the najasa, it will be mutanajjis. Now there is what? There is a recommended act. However, it is recommended that in the event of certain najasa falling in it, in the event of certain najasa falling in it, even if there is no one of its attributes has been changed, even though here we should what? A quantity of water should be drawn from the well. A quantity of water should be drawn from the well. This well, imagine its water is less than a kur, all right? And there is mutanajjis or najis or essential najasa itself falls in it. And none of the three attributes of the water, none of the taste, none of the color, not of the taste has been changed. This water is what? Is tahir, even if it is less than a kur. Why? Because it is a well water, number one. And as a recommended precaution, it's written in another books, another jurisprudence books, old jurisprudence book, just like a Sharia book, maybe a Lum'a, I think a Sharia. Yeah, they will take what? They will take several saddles to from this water as a recommended precaution. Is this clear? Any question? Any question? Issue number 45. If najasa falls into well water and changes its smell, color or taste, it will become tahir. When? It will become tahir as soon as the change in its smell, color or taste vanishes. How this change happen and how this attributes will vanish? Okay, you remember at the beginning we said this well water, it has a source, and this source, that water comes from where? From the earth. So when the new water comes forth from the earth, it will emerge with what? With the old water of the well. And by emerging this water, and the water comes from the earth increasing, the attributes of mutanajjis water, or the attributes of the najasa, will be vanished. Will be vanished where? With the new water. With the new water. But it is better to wait till it is mixed with the fresh water springing from the earth. And the other recommended precaution for Sayyid al-Sistani is to wait till it is mixed. That means this well water, which has the attributes of najasa, mixed with the fresh water springing from the earth. In this case, after that, to wait for what? Wait for example, to drink from it, to use it for ablution, to use it for obligatory ghusl, and so on. Issue number 46. If rainwater is collected in a hole, rainwater, and this issue should belong to the rainwater. If a rainwater is collected in a hole and its quantity is less than a qur, its quantity is less than a qur, it will become mutanajjis if najasa reaches it after the rain has stopped. It will become mutanajjis if najasa reaches it after the rain has stopped. Look here, why he put this issue with the well water, because this is not a well water, this is a rainwater collected in a hole. Rainwater collected in a hole, all right? And the quantity of this rainwater is less than a qur. The quantity of the rainwater is less than a qur. Then this water will become mutanaj. Look, while the rain is continuing raining, it's continue raining on this water, even if it contacts najasa, it wouldn't become what? It wouldn't become mutanajjis. It wouldn't become mutanajjis. Why it wouldn't become mutanajjis? Can anybody tell me? Take the mic, please. Because the rain, because it is raining, and the rain is a source for this. Good, very good, excellent. How about if the rain stops? There is no more rain. If the rain stops, and this water in a hole which is less than a qur contacts najasa, it will be what? It will be mutanajjis. Very good, excellent. Rules regarding waters. Issue number 47. Mixed water. What does it mean, mixed water? Whose meaning, alaykum as-salam, whose meaning has been explained in Article 15. Can anybody tell me what do we mean by mixed water? Take the mic and talk, please. Yes, can anybody tell me? That water, we cannot say it is a water. It is mixed with something else. For that, we call it orange water, orange juice, rose water. Okay? We cannot say it is what? It is only water. Good. What it is, what its ahkam? The ahkam of the mixed water is that this mixed water, if it contacts najasa, whatever the quantity of mixed water is, it will be mutanajjis. For example, if we have a tank of 36,000 liters of milk, you know, those vehicles which it has 36,000 liters of milk, if a drop of blood falls in it, in this tank, the entire tank will be what? The entire tank will be mutanajjis. Mixed water, whose meaning has been explained in Article 15, does not make any mutanajjis. Think tahir. So that means I cannot use the mixed water for ablution. I cannot use it for making obligatory ghusl. I cannot use it to remove najasa or to make a mutanajjis cloth tahir, and so on. And its use is not allowed for ghusl or wudu. Issue number 48. Mixed water, however large its quantity may be, becomes mutanajjis when even a small particle of najasa falls in it. But if it falls on a mutanajjis thing, I explained the first part. The first part of this issue, I already explained it in the foregoing issue. But if it falls on a mutanajjis thing from above with some force, the part which touches the najasa will become mutanajjis, and the part which does not touch it will remain tahir. For example, I think I explained this before. Did I? No, I didn't. With you, I didn't. Okay. I did with another one. For example, if rose water is sprinkled on a mutanajjis hand from sprinkler. You know what's the meaning of sprinkler? هاي المرشة مع ما يورد. The part which reaches the hand will be mutanajjis, and the part which does not reach the hand will remain tahir. All right. Imagine there is some najasa on the wall right here. Some najasa, or yes, some najasa or the wall is mutanajjis right here. And I have what? No, not like that. Imagine there is a kafir person. He came to visit us, okay? And we want to drop what? A rose water. We want to drop a rose water on his hand. We want to drop a rose water on his hand. This rose water, when it falls on the kafir's hand, only the part which contacts the hand will be mutanajjis, while this water, the rest of the water which in the row right here from the sprinkler, and the water in the rose water in the sprinkler itself, it is not mutanajjis. It is not mutanajjis. Here is a question. Why you said before a while, if there is a drop of najasa falls in a tank of 36,000 liters, the entire tank will become mutanajjis? While here we have a sprinkler, just very little water, rose water, it does not become mutanajjis because the water comes with force. The water comes with force from above to down, from above to down. So only this water which touch the water, or the rose water which touches the kafir's hand, will be mutanajjis. You understand this? Issue number 49. When mutanajjis mixed water is mixed with kur or running water, when mutanajjis mixed water is mixed with kur or running water in a manner that it can no longer be called a mixed water. Here we have mixed water, either it was mutanajjis or it is only a mixed water. We bring it and we mix it with what? With a kur water. And we mix it with kur water, or we mix it with what? With running water, ma' jari. Now, can I still say that there is what? There is a mixed water or not? I cannot say. If the attributes of the mixed water is still, I will say it is still a mixed water. So this mixed water, I cannot say it is what? It is a pure water, even if it contacts with what? Even if it contacts with kur water. Since it has its own attributes, is still the color, the taste, the smell, it is still what? It is still mixed water. I cannot use it for removing najasa, making mutanajjis tahir, or making ablution or ghusl. But if this mixed water, I mix it with kur water or running water, and immediately the mixed water, it lost its attributes. What does it mean? I cannot say this is a mixed water. Why? Because all its attributes, color, taste, smell, is vanished, are vanished. I cannot more say it is what? It is a mixed water. In this case, this water becomes what? Becomes tahir. Becomes tahir. If it was mutanajjis, and if it is not mutanajjis, I cannot say it is a mixed water anymore, because it lost all its attributes. Is this clear? Okay. Issue number 50. Water which was originally pure. The water was originally pure, and it is not known whether it has turned to mixed water. Yes. I know, for example, I know this container has what? Has a pure water. Has a pure water. Then I leave it. Next day, I came and I find the same water, the same container, the same water. And I'll say, maybe it becomes mutanajjis. Maybe this water becomes what? Becomes mutanajjis. Now, how can I deal with this water? Can I treat it as a pure water and use it for drinking, use it for ablution, use it for making obligatory ghusl, using for removing the najasa, making mutanajjis thing tahir or not? Absolutely yes. Absolutely yes. I will treat with it as what? I will treat with it as a tahir water, as a pure water. Why? Because it is yaqeenun sabiq, shakkul lahiq. Old knowledge, yes, old knowledge and new doubt. I will deal with the old knowledge. I will deal with the old knowledge. And the old knowledge about this water, it was what? It was pure. The new doubt, the new suspicion, what? It is mutanajjis. I don't have a proof. I don't have a proof that this water becomes mutanajjis. It is only what? It is only a doubt. It is only a doubt. But here, I'm sure that this water was what? Was tahir. So I'll deal with this water as what? As tahir. And I can use it for making ablution, for making obligatory ghusl, to make the mutanajjis thing tahir, and so on. I'm going to turn upside down the picture. I know this water, it was what? It was mutanajjis. Yesterday I saw this water becomes mutanajjis. And today I came to the same water, I doubt. Maybe somebody make it tahir. Maybe somebody make it tahir. How can I deal with this water? Very good, excellent, mashallah. I will deal with this water as mutanajjis because I know or I knew this water, it was what? It was mutanajjis. But now I'm doubting, maybe this water becomes what? Becomes tahir. So I'm going to deal with what? With the knowledge or with the doubt? Absolutely, I have to deal with the knowledge. And the knowledge is telling me this water is mutanajjis. That's it. You understand this? You understand this? Water which was originally pure and it is not known whether it has turned into mixed water will be treated as pure. It's like to say it will make mutanajjis thing tahir, and it will also be in order to perform wudu and ghusl with it. But if it was originally mixed water and it is not known whether it has turned into pure water, it will be treated as a mixed water. Like to say, it will not make mutanajjis object tahir, and it cannot be used for wudu or ghusl. The same example, but this water it was mixed water. This water it was mixed water, and now I knew this water is what? Is mixed water. Today I came, I find the same water. I'm saying the same water. I'm saying maybe this mixed water becomes what? Becomes a pure water. So what I'm going to do? How can I deal with this water? As a mixed water, very good. As a mixed water. Issue number 51. About which it is not known whether it is pure or mixed. And it is also not known whether originally it was pure or mixed. I don't know. Here, look. whether about which it is not known whether it is pure or mixed, and also not known whether originally it was pure or mixed, will not make mutanajjis think tahir, because I don't know this water whether it is mixed or pure, or even I don't know originally this water it was mixed or pure. I don't know. In both cases, I don't know. Can I use it to make mutanajjis think tahir? Can I use it for ablution? Can I use it for obligatory ghusl? Here is yes, will not make mutanajjis think tahir, and it is also not permissible to perform wudu or ghusl with it. So in all cases, we are not going to use this water, alaykum assalam. We are not going to use this water for what? For removing najasa or making ablution. Also, it becomes mutanajjis when a najasa reaches it. Also, it becomes mutanajjis when a najasa reaches it. In this case, I'm going to deal with this water as what? As mixed water. As mixed water. Because these are the ahkam of mixed water, the rules of mixed water. It becomes mutanajjis when a najasa reaches it, even if it is equal to a kur or more. Is this understood? Is this issue understood, or you need to explain it? Issue number 52. When an essential najasa like blood and urine reaches water and changes its smell, color, or taste, it becomes mutanajjis. When an essential najasa, look, when reaches water, it does not belong to mixed water. It is any water, mutlaq water, pure water. And this essential najasa changed the attributes of this water, changed its smell, changed its color, changed its taste. So this water becomes what? Becomes mutanajjis, even if it is core or running water. Even if this water is what? Is core or running water. There is no doubt. How about if it does not change? If it does not change, and this water is a core water, and it contacts najasa, and none of the attributes has been changed, it is still what? Still tahir, still tahir. But here, the attributes of water is changed due to najasa or essential najasa. So this water becomes what? Becomes mutanajjis. Similarly, the same hukum, it becomes mutanajjis. If the smell, color, or taste of the water changes owing to najasa, changes due to the najasa, which is outside it, For example, if a carcass which is lying by the side of the water causes a change in smell, of the water will be deemed mutanajjis as an obligatory precaution. For example, this is a running water. All right? And there is a carcass right here. You know what does mean carcass? Huh? Sean? Just a carcass right here. And because of this carcass, the smell of the water, has been changed. The change of the smell of the water is due to the carcass smell. So this water is what? Mutanajjis fatwa or precaution? Obligatory precaution. As an obligatory precaution, this water is mutanajjis. Be careful. Issue number 53. If water which has become mutanajjis due to najis al-ayn, like blood or urine, would change its smell, color or taste, joins kur water. This mutanajjis water which becomes mutanajjis because of the essential najasa, blood, urine, semen, okay, then this mutanajjis water joins with what? Joins with kur water or running water, or if rainwater falls on it or is blown over it by the winds, or rainwater falls on it through the drain pipe while it is raining, the water will become tahir. The water will become tahir if the change vanishes. If the change vanishes, it means if the smell, color, taste of this water which has been acquired from the essential najasa has been vanished. That means this water comes back to its purity. Comes back to its purity. It becomes pure again. So this water becomes what? Becomes mutanajjis. However, rainwater or kur water, or running water should get mixed with it. However, rainwater or kur water or running water should get mixed with it. Not only the attributes. So I need two things. Pay attention. I need two things. Number one, that the attributes of the najasa which acquired by the water is vanished or are vanished. Number one. Number two, I need the rainwater or well water or running water or kur water mixed with this water in order to become what? In order to become tahir. So now how we can make a qaleel water, a qaleel mutanajjis water tahir? Can anybody tell me? This is a question, how we can a mutanajjis qaleel water tahir? Give it to him. Yes, who else? Yes.
Mix it with the running water or cold water until to remove the smell.
So I need two things. Number one, that the attributes of najas has been vanished. Number two, the running water, rainwater or the cool water is mixed with this qaleel water. That's it. Two things. Thank you very much. Issue number 53. If water which has become mutanajjis due to najis al-ayn, like blood or urine, which change its smell, color or taste, joins cold water or running water, or if rainwater falls on it or is blown over it by the winds, or rainwater falls on it through the drain pipe while it is raining, the water will become tahir if the change vanishes. However, rainwater or core water or running water should get mixed with it. Last issue, number 54. If a mutanajjis object is made tahir in core or running water, mutanajjis object make tahir in a core or running water, which falls from the object after the water which falls from the object after it has become tahir is tahir. I have a mutanajjis carpet. I have a mutanajjis carpet or mutanajjis cloth. All right? Now I make it tahir with what? With core water, with running water, with rain water. I make it tahir. Definitely I remove the najasa first, then I washed it, the najasa, this mutanajjis becomes tahir. Now the water which comes after this carpet or this cloth becomes tahir. The water which flows after it, this water is mutanajjis or tahir? It is tahir. Walhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. وصلى الله على محمد وآله الطيبين الطاهرين. اللهم صل على محمد وآل محمد وعجل فرجهم والعن عدوهم.